Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how we can reply to comments in a Google Sheets. Alright, let's get started. Here I have opened my Google Sheets and we're going to reply to comments in this Google Sheets. So the first thing we're going to do is click on the cell that contain a comment, and this is the cell, guys. Just tap on it, and after that we can click on view comment, and to reply this comment we can click on add a reply right here, and just type the comment like this, and after that we can click on the send button to send the comment. Alright, and now we have replied to this comment, and that's how we can reply to comments in a Google Sheets. If you find this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.